Hey guys, how's it going? How to chat on Roblox website. So first of all, go ahead and open up and log into your account on Roblox. Navigate to the game that you want to play by clicking on it. Let's say for example this game, and then click the play button, the big green button right here at the at the middle right here. And once you are in the game, locate the chat box at the top left of the screen, and then click inside the chat box. Type your message and then press enter to send. You can now communicate with other players in the game. Make sure chat settings are enabled for your account. So let's find out the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.